Welcome to another Flept Groupon review. And today we're doing 2 Groupons. Right now we are in Miami Beach and we are going to check out a place called Pura Vida. So I got the kale Caesar salad with chicken, and what is your wrap called?
Volcano chicken wrap.
Volcano chicken wrap. Taste test time. And we got our smoothies. I got the super greens, and you got the Brazilian peanut butter. Cheers. Smoothie cheers. What's the sauce? The Pura Vida sauce?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be spicy?
Sure.
The smoothie's good though. I really appreciate how big the salad is, by the way, and it's all kale. Are you ready for our mukbang? We're about to do a mukbang. So I'm taking my salad to go, and we got our smoothies, and now we're off to part 2 of this video, which is at Bayside Marketplace. So what did you think?
I liked it.
Honestly, it would have been 50 bucks for us to have 2 smoothies and like a salad. So if it wasn't for the Groupon, I don't know if I would spend 50 bucks on a salad and 2 smoothies and a wrap. Yeah. But given that we spent $25 in total thanks to the Groupon, that it's worth it. So, and it was good. Let me tell you, this kale salad, I mean, I know it's like easy, it's a Caesar salad, like how hard can that be? But for you to make kale not taste like super coarse, the kale actually tastes soft. It's nice. Like, I enjoyed the salad. It's not overly seasoned, like, you know, it's not too Caesar-y. And then the smoothies, the one I got, the super greens, is actually really good. It's almost like sweet, but it only has like apples and greens in it. It's nothing, there's nothing like bananas, so it's like actually really sweet. And I guess it's just from the apple. And then yours is kind of like on the peanut buttery side.
Acai and
acai with peanut butter, and it's more like a desserty flavor one. I think it's worth the Groupon for sure. Yeah. And obviously you're Miami Beach, everything's gonna be overpriced, so expect. There's
a lot of cool things in the area too.
Yeah, it's a nice area to walk around and kind of just explore and see what's around, and you know, take your dog, walk your dog. Now we're off to Bayside Marketplace for Groupon part 2. Groupon review part 2. Woo woo! We bought a Groupon for Bayside to do a boat for the lifestyles of the rich and the famous, it's called, something like that.
What'd you say?
The lifestyles of the rich and the famous.
The lifestyle? Oh, okay.
Lifestyle. About to go on a boat tour. See the homes of the rich and the famous. So we're on a boat tour where they're gonna show us the homes of the rich and famous. That's what the boat tour is called, and we get free drinks. So
I wonder if it's unlimited?
No, I'm pretty sure it's just one drink each. Right? Yeah. But we'll see how it goes. I'm already feeling nauseous because motion sickness problems though. And we're standing because we ran out of seats. Everybody took our seats. So
whoa, we were the last ones.
We were the last ones on the boat. We were running to try to make it to 6:30. And it turns out we're still here, so. Our first review of this boat so far is that don't get here too early and don't stress about not being here. It says online.
Show up like 10 minutes before.
Yeah, it had said online that if you need to come 30 minutes before, you need to show up like half an hour before the actual boat takes off, and that's not true because they're not gonna let you on anyways till exactly around 6:30. So you don't need to be. We were rushing over here trying to make it because we thought.
Maybe you shouldn't listen to us because then what if they show up? We listen to you.
I mean, from our experiences one time, it seems like it's not that important.
And on this boat tour, who knows about the other ones?
Yeah, so it's almost 6:50 and we have not taken off yet. We're off. Got the water taxi, just passing through. Just a jet skier, just a guy jet skiing, passing through. People know how to party. How to party. We're going through under the bridge. Actual pirates. Hi. They're waving. Hold on, we'll go now. Frost Museum over there. These are 2 free drink tickets.
To the left side, you see the Venetian Passway. This one is the oldest bridge.
It's called the Venetian Passway. So that bridge is the oldest bridge in Miami. Right there is Parrot Jungle, what that peak is.
Belongs to a very famous Chinese actor who is also a martial arts specialist, Mr. Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan.
So that's Jackie Chan's house. The one right there is Jackie Chan's house. So part of the free drinks included beers, wines, and I think like frozen daiquiris and stuff like that. But I got a 4 low. Right there is Paulina Rubio's house. I think that one of these, is Celia Cruz's house. That's Ricky Martin's house. So Ricky Martin owns this one, and I think Celia Cruz was that one. That's a home owned by Shakira. Shakira. Look at that dog. I like how when they mention the person, they like play the music of that celebrity. So the island over here is called Star Island, and it's where all the stars live. That's why it's called Star Island. The sun is slowly setting. And that's P. Diddy's home right there. Puff Daddy. And this is all part of Star Island. And that's a home owned by Julio Iglesias. And that's Will Smith's home right there. The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Dr. Frost's home, and this home is like worth $6 million. Dr. Frost. Each of those palm trees are from Africa or from South Africa, and they're worth like $9,000. A total of $65 million, that one home. This is one of the homes of Frank Sinatra. When I saw those little lions, I thought it was DJ Khaled's home. One of these, I feel like this one, is Gloria Stefan's home. We're going under a bridge. Think of all the cars driving above us right now.
Just jump over that.
Yeah, that's crazy. We were just on that road coming to Bayside. It's getting a little more choppy out here. I think the wind is a little more intense out here.
I'm going to put some music for you so you can enjoy the tour and make sure that you take a lot of pictures. It's beautiful view on it.
Sleepy?
Bayside.
Isn't this where they have like Ultra and all these concerts?
All right, Captain Juan and all the crew members, thank you so much for running with us today. We hope you had a great time. Did you enjoy the tour? You get really soon back here to Miami and come visit us. Damas y caballeros, esta tarde esperamos la hayan pasado muy bien, hayan disfrutado del tour y vuelvan muy pronto aquí a la bella ciudad de Miami a visitarnos. Por favor, por su seguridad.
Post boat, little cafecito. Cheers. So overall, I think we enjoyed that. That was nice.
Yeah.
Like, I think the Groupon was worth it. I think that the price you pay is, it's a nice lengthy ride. So
An hour and a half.
It was like an hour and a half, which is really nice. Better than if it would have been like just half an hour or 20 minutes. So it was a nice lengthy ride. You do get a drink each. It includes beer, wine, and like I think frozen.
Pina coladas,
yeah, like pina coladas and stuff. But not bad. And honestly, a really good experience. And if you can go to the 831, then you'll definitely be able to catch like the transition.
I don't know if you can see the houses though.
You won't be able to see the houses probably as nice, but the transition of day to night will be nice. So depends on how you see it. The 631 was nice, so I would suggest it. I'm really sweaty already because it's like so humid. So 10 out of 10 would recommend.
The only thing that sucks is that you have to pay $20 parking.
Yeah, you have to pay Bayside parking. That's the only downfall, but I'm going to link down below all the down below. I'm gonna link it right over here on this part of the screen. All the other videos we've done so far for Groupon reviews. So if you like them, please click like, subscribe, and subscribe, like and subscribe, comment, subscribe right here, right here. Is it gonna be here? Is it right there?